Is it time to buy or sell MP Materials stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MP Materials. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of October 2025, our system has identified MP Materials as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 26.62%. Since we first designated MP Materials as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.66% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 10.25% to 29.88%, analyzing the longer term. Our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 164.66%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 26.62% to 191.30% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price within a range of $113.77 to $261.74. Our latest daily update for MP Materials reveals significant movements in the stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 12.14% between the day's high and low. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025, the MP Materials stock price declined by 8.92%, dropping from $98.65 to $89.85. During this trading day, price declined by 8.92%. The stock experienced a fluctuation of 12.14%, reaching a low of $86.50 and a high of $97. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 32.86% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $100.25, while the lowest was $15.56. Currently, the price is 10.37%, or $10.40, below the 52-week high of $100.25, which also remains the all-time high for the stock. MP Materials is currently in the spotlight as tensions surrounding rare earth elements between the United States and China lead to a significant rally. Shares have soared this week following China's decision to tighten export regulations and recent political maneuvers in the U.S. that indicate a pushback. This surge has propelled MP Materials into record territory, with one day witnessing an increase of over 21% on nearly 5 times the average trading volume. The company operates the Mountain Pass mine, which is among the few sources in the U.S. for neodymium iron boron feedstock. This material is essential for electric vehicle motors, consumer electronics, and defense magnets. It is now being positioned as a strategic asset within the supply chain, with support from the Pentagon becoming evident in recent discussions. In the short term, headlines and policy reactions may keep MP Materials volatile and enhance its price as investors shift towards perceived safe domestic suppliers. However, the risk to long-term valuation increases if the rapid surge diminishes or if significant capital expenditures, permitting issues, or processing constraints hinder output. Sustainable growth will rely on confirmed government contracts, the ability to scale processing capacity, and consistent demand in the end markets for magnets. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, it was reported that DOA assigned MP an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MP a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MP a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to MP Materials stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for MP Materials. The MP Materials stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $82.65 and $71.39. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 14th of October, 2025, with a current decline of 8.92%. Further decreases are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, which occurred 18 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal, detected 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, noted 94 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, which was observed 85 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MP Materials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $78.34 and $77.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, MP Materials finds support just below today's level at $78.34. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $77.13 and $74.32. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $10.50 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 12.14%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 13.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MP Materials, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established firms can go through challenging phases, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at negative 15 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MP Materials. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MP Materials is at $95.06. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MP Materials faces its first support level at $78.34. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for MP Materials from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of October, 2025, Infuso David Gregory conducted an insider purchase of 3,427 shares of common stock. On the 30th of September, 2025, Duckworth Connie K made an insider purchase of 447 shares of common stock. On the 30th of September, 2025, Levan Marianne also conducted an insider purchase of 419 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Litinsky James H. executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 29th of August, 2025, Rosenthal Michael Stewart sold 83,874 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 82.067. In total, insiders purchased 872,476 shares and sold 6,341,222 shares in the last 100 trades. I recommended stop loss is set at $84.66, reflecting a decrease of 5.78%. This stock experiences significant daily price fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is MP Materials stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for MP Materials stock to perform well in the near term. Accordingly, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of October, we expect MP Materials to open higher by $1.27, starting at a price of $91.12. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.